Hello and welcome to IME156. My name is Eric Payton and I'm going to be your lab instructor for the electronic manufacturing. I look forward to meeting all of you in this fun, hands-on electronic manufacturing laboratory. In this video, we will cover some of the important information that you will need to know to use this lab safely and efficiently. To ensure we are all well prepared for the first day, we will gain knowledge working on the tools and equipment to prevent injury. There's going to be a quiz on this material. You must take this quiz before the first lab. The quiz can be found right here on the Poly site for this lab. In this lab course, you will build an aluminum sheet metal chassis to enclose the electronics. You're going to design a circuit board using a CAD program called Eagle. Assemble the circuit board from a kit of components and assemble all of the wiring necessary to power and control 3 powerful LEDs from a microphone, sensor, and an Arduino microprocessor. The Electronics Manufacturing Lab is located in the northwest corner of campus at the northwest corner of Building 192. The entrance to room 105 is right here on the outside of Building 192. As you enter, there are shelves for your personal belongings. This keeps the lab area free for working. You may want to bring a notebook, pen, and pencil with you, and please have a seat at one of the benches wherever you like when you arrive. Remember that food or drinks are not allowed in the workbenches or in the computer lab at any time. Restrooms and drinking fountains are located across the breezeway in Building 41 through the double doors down the hall on the left, or around the building to the right and just inside the double doors in Building 192. We have 2 emergency phones, one just past the shelves on your right as you walk in, and another in the computer lab near the entrance. In the event of an emergency, dial 911 on one of these phones and it connects you with the Cal Poly Police Dispatch, which is the quickest way to reach help. Tell them your location is Building 192, Room 105, and the nature of the emergency. Accidents happen, and sometimes a person's health condition requires medical attention. Please do not hesitate to assist, and remember, call 911 immediately. We use tools in this lab, and they can cut metal, so they can definitely cut your skin. We also are using a soldering iron, which is very hot and can cause burns. No matter how small an injury, you must let your instructor know so we can assess the situation. If there is a problem with anything in the lab, or you are hurt, or don't feel well, please let your instructor know. Any one of these tools can cause a minor injury. Sometimes all that's needed is a Band-Aid. When working in the lab, closed-toe shoes must be worn. Flip-flops and sandals are not adequate protection for your feet and are not allowed. In addition, long hair must be tied back and up, if necessary, to keep out of your working space. In the lab, safety glasses must be worn. And before work begins each day. Safety glasses are available in the leftmost tool cabinet on the right-hand side. This is where the scratch-alls, hammers, measuring scales, and tape are also stored. Tools specifically for deburring and or wiring on the sheet metal are also found in the second tool cabinet. In the third tool cabinet, we have screwdrivers, wrenches, and digital multimeters. Wire assembly tools, including wire cutters, pliers, wire strippers, and crimpers, are located in the fourth tool cabinet on the far right. The lab has essential sheet forming tools for forming your sheet metal chassis, including punches and brakes. You will be using all of these for forming your chassis. Your instructor or teacher assistant will demonstrate the safe and effective use of all of these tools and machinery in the lab. If you're missing something during the demo, please ask to see it again before using. We must not risk misusing a tool that may cause injury or damage because of lack of training. We are all getting to learn by doing the manufacturing process ourselves. But the safe and correct way is always its best. In the process of building your projects, tools may get broken, and that's okay. But we have to correct the problems, and to do this, we have to know about them. If you break a tool or something doesn't look right, let a TA or your instructor know so that it can be repaired or replaced. Never use something that seems faulty. The last thing I need to talk to you about in this video is lab cleanup. We get to use all the tools and equipment that I've shown you in this lab, and it gets messy. So to ensure we put the lab back the way it was when we arrived, we all must participate in cleanup. In fact, it's worth points. Each week, we rotate 3 cleanup supervisors who will ensure all the tools are put away and the debris swept up, so the lab is ready for the next class, just like we received the lab in good, working, clean condition. The form here makes it simple and know what to do and what to check off when we are complete. When we all do our share, it's easy for everyone to get the job done and earn the points. Well, that just about wraps up the video. So once again, welcome to IME156. I'm excited to see all of your excellent electronic enclosures and to meet you all in person. Thank you and have a great day.